Hi, we're going to talk about some patterns. Stay tuned. So let's get started and talk about the patterns that I picked up. This is a one shoulder shirt pattern. Let's see, how is it rated? Can't see. It doesn't tell me what it's rated, but it's really cute. I thought you could either hack this pattern and make this into a dress. I like the sleeve. It has a cold shoulder. I don't know if I would do the cold shoulder, but it does have a little cold a slit on the sleeve where it has the shoulder. I like the bow. Bows tend to be a little thin right now, so I'm a bow person, so I can get with that. I like both views actually, but I figured this is really cute to hack into a dress. So this is New Look 6701. I also picked up New Look 6733. This is an easy pattern, an easy to sew pattern. This pattern here I picked up is extra small through extra large. Really cute. I thought it'd just give me some different options to choose from when making a top. I also picked up Simplicity 1108. This is an easy to sew pattern as well. This is it's like a duster or just a little pull on. It's a little layering piece. I thought this would be like a really easy, cute something to make. You can make it probably for a beach cover up over your swimsuit or anything like that. Especially in the springtime if you want something light to put on, because you know during the day it gets a little warm. This would be something great to put on. This is again Simplicity 1108. This is Simplicity 8641, and I actually like all the views. I can get with all the views, and I think the difference is just basically the length, but I'll see once I get into it. This is a Sew House 7 sewing pattern by Simplicity. I like this dress because this is something that could go with a shirt underneath. I was thinking of pairing it with the Georgia shirt that I made, the little turtleneck shirt pattern from Mimi G. But you could also do like the model and pair it with the t-shirt. So it's very versatile. It's something that can be made out of denim, so I thought that was a very great option. So I picked it up. This is Simplicity 8856. This is an easy to sew pattern as well. This is a tunic and shirt pattern. So you can make the dress for the little girl. You can make the dress or the shirt for the mother. It's like a mommy and me pattern, but either one you can wear a dress, make it a dress or a shirt. I like this. It's an easy to sew pattern as well. That's another reason I got it, but I thought this would be really cool to wear in the summertime and to make it out of linen. But this is Simplicity 9018. I think this is an adorable pattern. I love every single view. There's a dress, a shirt, there's like a little vest slip over cover up, and there's pants. I could see wearing all of this. I could see making this whole entire pattern into a collection. I think this is a nice pattern to pick up. So I also had this pattern has been on my list of patterns to get. If you like me, you have a running list that you pick up occasionally when you can catch the sale. So this is 8513. This is a bodysuit, but I mainly got it for the view B. I love I love a bell sleeve, but I could see me trying any view on here to wear with a pair of jeans. I think it is really nice. You could even pair with this next pattern, which is 8605. This is an easy to sew pants pattern. So I picked this up to see how I was going to like this, because if you remember, I'll put a picture of the new look pants pattern that I picked up, which I like the pattern, but those pants were just not for me. I bought this one so that I could see if this will be a better fit for me, because the one thing I did like about that was the comfort. Like, you wasn't constrained, or, you know, the tightness. It was just a nice little comfortable pair. It just was too much fabric for me. So I got this one so I could try this pattern instead to see if I like this better. So this is 8605. Again, this is an easy to sew pattern. This is an easy to sew pattern as well. I love these sleeves. I love the different variations that this shirt is offering. I could also see hacking this up into a dress and making it, and just extending it and making it a dress. But I love this sleeve. It was an easy to sew pattern. I said, why not? Let's add this to the stash. And this is simply 8839. This is a dress that I plan on making, and I'm going to use a cotton to make this dress. This is a great color blocking dress. What I plan to make is view B, and I'll try to put a picture of view B up here on the screen. But view B, you see the one side, it's like a waterfall sleeve. I think I'm going to do two waterfall sleeves, and not just the one side. But this is Simplicity 8836. And it doesn't tell me if it's easy to sew or not. So I'm sure it's not. I'm sure it's not, because I'm sure that you got to put an invisible zipper in here. Yeah, it calls for invisible zipper. So this is probably an average to sew pattern. I also picked up some vintage patterns. And this is Simplicity 8462. I just like this. I think this is nice. This is classy. I think with the right fabric, you can bring it into today. I just think this is really cute. So the model is wearing view A and view C, and I like exactly what she is wearing. I could see, it looks like, I don't know what kind of top she has on up under it, but I could see even making, oh, I take that back. View A and view C. Oh, it has the top pattern. I take that back. But I can see that top pattern being lace, and view B is the skirt. I can see this whole thing just coming together. I just have a vision for this whole look. So I like this pattern. I am going to be looking forward to that, to making this later on in the year. But I like this. I like this. This whole look is just giving me Shalisa vibes. And that is a vintage pattern, a 1940s vintage pattern. This is a 1950s vintage pattern. I felt like it was going to be simple enough to put together, but I thought this was really cute. I was in the store like thinking, I could pair this with this and this and this. So because I kept imagining what I could do to this, I picked it up. So I really like view A, which is the longer view. But this is a 1950s vintage pattern. It's 8085. And it has two views, A and B, and one's just longer or one longer or shorter, vice versa, or the other. I picked up this one. This says 1960s Authentic Simplicity Original Pattern. This is 6206. It says one size. But if you get this pattern has so much on here to offer you. So view one, let me go to the back so I can make sure I'm telling you the right thing. View one and view two are an apron and mitten, like an oven mitt. View three is another apron. So the view two apron and mitt is like I don't know what you call it, the waist apron with the mid. View one has the waist apron with the bodice on the top, and a mitten. That's view 1. View 3 is just the one piece apron. View 4 is this little head wrap up here. View 5 is this little bitty clutch. View 6 is this head wrap, and view 7 is this purse. So I purchased it for the clutch and the shoulder bag here, but it has so much to offer. I can see you making parts of these to go with something else. Really cute. Again, this is a very vintage 1960s authentic simplicity original pattern, simple to sew, 6206. That would probably be great to make at Christmas time if you want to make you know, gifts. That's a really great pattern. I should have picked up 2 so I could have gave 1 away, but that's really cute. Just thinking. All right, this is another new look pattern. This is 6772. One of my dear subscribers made this, and I was like, oh, that looks good. You did a real good job. What pattern is that? And this is the pattern that she made. Hey, Miss Annie. So I picked this up because I was like, this look like a really nice pattern, and it is a unisex pattern, and it says it's easy just for knits. So I could see making this pattern for me like next fall. Just a you know, casual outfit, wear to the store, around the house, or whatever. Again, new look 6772. So I got that. Looking forward to making that as well. The next 3 patterns are Mimi G patterns, because I always try to pick up Mimi G's pattern whether I'm about to sew it or not, because I just want to have a Mimi G collection. So these are patterns I don't have in my collection. This is Simplicity 8845. This is a denim jacket. This is also a unisex pattern, and I wanted to pick it up, like I said, to go on my stash or to have in case I decide to make a denim jacket. This next pattern I have, this is 8516, but I purchased this in the next size up because I have been doing my due diligence of putting food in my mouth to gain weight, and have not been trying to lose it. So in case I needed the bigger size, I got the bigger size. So this size was the 14 to 22. So I'm assuming that the other size comes in a 6 to 14 or a 6 to 12, and that's the size that I have. I have made these before. Looking forward to making them again, and she has a tutorial on her YouTube channel to make these. I think it's a four video series, I think, but she has a tutorial for these on her site as well. Very easy to make, guys. Not as hard as you think. And this, I didn't have this pattern. I love this look. I would love to actually make it in plaid like she's wearing. This is Simplicity 8749. Love this look. Adore. I think it is freaking adorable. I love a taper pants because I just feel that looks better on my body. But got this to add to my stash as well. I hope that you enjoyed these patterns and they inspire you to pick some of them up as well, or you get a look at it or get some kind of inspiration from the patterns. These are patterns that I plan to put in my stash, and I also plan to make some of them this year. So with all of that said and done, as always, remember, you are so fabulous, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.